up on a late night. I've been driving to the west side. Say you want it just one time. Gotta hit it, baby, 2 times. Don't wanna beg. It's now 7:35 and the sky is still dark outside, which I don't want to wake up. My other class is cancelled because due to the snowstorm yesterday. So moving on to multiple changes in revenue model, the reason why firm keep changing their revenue models is because one doesn't work well for them. So we actually have the name and then the slogan as well. We can have both. Okay, bye everyone. I just finished my first class and my first group discussion today. It's almost 11 again, and as my next class is cancelled, I am going to the gym after this. So this is the list that I have to finish today. To study, go to the gym, do internship, and get my assignment done. I don't know why, but there are so many assignments this semester. A lot of group assignments, a lot of discussions, a lot of things to read. This is my last semester, by the way. And I also have that work placement course where I have to work 84 hours relevant to what I study. And so I got accepted for internship for this company, but it's remote, which is good because that is unpaid. It sucks. And I just started last week, and today I also have internship, which started from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. I just finished taking a shower and changing to my new outfit. Let's see how cold is it outside. It's -1. Feel like -6. So as I am on my last semester right now, I am struggling finding a job, a professional job related to what I study, and also to find a place to stay after this, because after I graduate, I will move from the resident and I want to find a job and a place to live which is next to each other. That's pretty hard. So yeah, kind of struggle doing that at the same time and doing study at the same time. Well, I usually don't like school, but I think I like school today because they look pretty. I usually don't eat their food if only their food is good. Not bad. So I'm kind of starting my internship right now, and my role is digital marketing, a video creator. So they want me to make a short video, short promotional video, maybe 10 or 13 seconds, and also poster for the events. They want me to use Canva. It's some unprofessional, but I'm doing what they want me to do. And it sucks because they don't train me at all. They just give me tasks and then I complete it on my own.
Did I hear someone say chicken fried rice? Can't wait to hear more from the other speakers. Stop today after the speed networking event. Learn how to stop. He said, all of a sudden, once they solve the Rubik's Cube,
So I just finished taking shower and no one went. I am kind of tired right now, but I have the review for tomorrow's class. So today I have classes, went to the gym, just 7 minutes Starbucks. I did my internship and I finished my task. And I will cook for tomorrow.